Hey Ring neighbors! Need to troubleshoot account verification issues while signing in the Ring? You've come to the right place. Just remember, you can always jump ahead to different segments in this video to find the answers you need quickly. Hover over the segments below to see what issue each addresses. So let's get to it. First up, are you signed into Ring on another device? If so, you can use the other device to help sign into your new device. Let's try the following. If you're using a phone or tablet to help sign into your new device, open your Ring app. Tap the menu or the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Scroll down and tap Control Center. Tap Account Verification. Confirm or update your phone number by tapping Update Phone Number. Tap Continue and re-enter your password. Here, you enter the new phone number where you want to receive your verification code. On your new device, sign into the Ring app. Your new verification code will be sent to the number you just provided. Use it to verify your new device. If you're using a computer to help sign into your new device, log into your account at ring.com and click the dashboard. From the dashboard, click Account and select Control Center. Click Account Verification. Confirm or update your phone number by clicking Update Phone Number. Click Continue and re-enter your password. Enter your new phone number where you want to receive your verification code. On your new device, sign into the Ring app. Your new verification code will be sent to the number you just provided. Use it to verify your new device. Another easy way to authorize a new device is scroll down under Account Verification to Authorize New Device and click Generate. This produces a code you can use on your new device to authorize your login. If you're not able to log in on another device, let's explore other ways to verify your identity. If you're in the US or Canada, you can use our third-party identity verification service provider using a photo of yourself and a valid government-issued ID. If you prefer to use an authenticator app, that is located under Account Verification in Control Center. But keep in mind that if you currently use an authenticator app to verify your device, make sure you delete it off your old device before installing it on your new device. After the authenticator app is installed and registered on your device, return to Control Center. Select Authenticator app. Tap Continue and re-enter your password. Tap Copy Key to copy the setup key. Then tap Continue and follow the in-app prompts. Or, if you have the Authenticator app on another device, you can simply scan the QR code and follow the in-app prompts. Remember, you can always set up a passkey for faster sign-in by using the fingerprint, face scan, or PIN code you use to unlock your account. If you ever need to call our customer support team, our associates will ask to verify your identity for security purposes with code you can generate in the Control Center. Here's how. Open the Ring app. tap the menu or the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Tap Control Center. Scroll down to the very bottom of the menu to Support. Scroll down and tap Generate Code. Tap the blue button labeled Generate Code. Provide the 6-digit code to the customer support associate. This code will allow your customer support associate temporary access to your account information, like your email address, location, and device MAC ID to help resolve your issue. Lastly, remember to never share your password with anyone. No Ring employee, customer support associate, or community manager will ever request your password. Want more information? Check out our Help Center and Ring Community on ring.com. With the Ring app, you can always stay connected and protected.